Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get evolution stones in Voidpet Dungeon. You know that moment in Voidpet Dungeon when your Void Pet is finally ready to evolve? And then the game basically says, cool, now go find an evolution stone. Yeah, I've been there, so I jump back into the game to figure out the fastest way to get them. What I usually do is run a few dungeon battles and quests because evolution stones often show up as a reward when you progress through stages or complete certain activities. While playing, I keep an eye on the reward screens after fights since that's where these materials tend to appear. Another thing I've noticed is that exploring different areas and continuing the story progression increases the chances of getting better rewards, including stones. Once you finally get one, just head into your Void Pet menu, select the pet you want to upgrade, and use the stone to trigger the evolution. And honestly, watching your pet evolve after grinding for that stone feels pretty satisfying, like your hard work finally paying off. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.